I get it, I'm chopped. I get it.
Are you chopped or the guy behind you?
You gonna show him our new car or not?
Oh yeah, guys. So today we actually got a new car, bro.
Team car.
Bro, so I'm gonna use it one day and then next.
I'll let you use it if you want, but you just gotta ask me before you use it.
Yeah, I have to ask for permission. And he basically owns it because he's the boss.
Basically, yeah. Whatever. Say that.
Yeah, he's the boss, guys. But guys, today.
Bro.
This guy, shut up, bro. This guy, bro. Guys, today's a special day. Alright, guys. So today, we're gonna be in a new car now, bro. No more shitbox, guys. No more shitbox, alright? So,
You came in there yet?
yeah. But
that's when you
today
mark the territory.
Today we're also gonna be hitting chest because we're little as shit.
You're hitting chest? I thought we were hitting. Never mind.
Anyways, guys, let's go see this car. We got a FK8, guys. FK8 Type R. This shit is crazy. Seat covers and the Type R seats. I'm gonna change the steering wheel, but bro, guys, 6-speed manual. Yeah. We got Brembo brakes. Or not those. What the fuck? Probably got Brembo. We actually upgraded, guys. We're in Type R's now. We're no more SI, no more 05. You know, we're in a Type R with AC now, guys. We actually have AC now. We made it. We actually made it. We're gonna be going to the gym right now. Hit chest, cause we gotta hit chest, cause we're chopped. Oh, what's up, bro? Oh, yo, I didn't know you were recording, bro.
Oh shit.
Yeah, bro. What's up? We're just in the Type R now, bro.
Nice, the upgrade.
Finally upgraded, guys. This shit's smooth, guys. Guys, get a Type R, guys. Everyone in the chat, get a Type R, bro. You guys gotta drive it or know how good.
What's the R stand?
This is like the last view of my car, bro. It's like a gunmetal gray. Nice ass rims, bro. We got Brembo brake. Probably had to put some wheel caps, some Honda Type R ones. But bro, guys, look at this, bro. Just look at it. Type R, guys. This shit's insane.